Hi, have you been wondering on how you can make money and cash out of TikTok? Maybe you have a very good following, yeah, a large one, you have good audience, you upload videos, they go viral, you get a lot of views and likes. You spend a lot of time on this platform, you make high quality videos, but you have never cashed out of it. No money is coming out of this platform. So this is the right video for you because I'm going to guide you on how you can activate monetization and start making money out of TikTok. So stick with me from the beginning to the end of this video and don't miss any part because this is a step-by-step procedure. So how do we begin? The first thing, you have to log in into your account. As you can see, I'm in my account. Then you have to go into your profile. Then up there on your top right, that those are three lines, that icon, are going to click on that, the three lines at the top right of your account. So once we click on them, this is what you'll see. You have to make sure you're using a creator's account. So you'll see this, at the top you'll see balance. Well, we have assets, balance. Before that thing, so we have the personal tools, watch history, offline, blah blah blah, downwards. So we're going to click on the first choice or the first icon where we have balance, like this. So once you click balance, it will load and it will open on a page, this page where we have balance. And you can see for me, I have my estimated balance as 0.00 US dollars. Yeah. So when you scroll down, you can see here we have live rewards. So here it's when you earn through through lives, TikTok lives. When people gift you, they send you gifts on your live. But that's not the case. I want us to go and have monetization so that we monetize the content that we upload rather than only the live. So we click on monetization like this. So it will open on this page. It will open on this page, TikTok Studio. So you can see we have posts here and we have live on this side. But we are interested on our post, what we upload. How can we make money out of them? So when you come down here, you can see we have monetization here. We have subscription and live rewards. Now let's go down. Below them, we can see, sorry. So below them, you can see work with artists. Here we have drama and services, but you have to click on more ways to get paid. Click here. Okay. So when you click there, you will see we have monetization. Estimated reward in the last 7 days as 0. It means I haven't made money out of my content. So we have here live rewards, and here we have drama. So active programs, that's here is where I want us to pay attention. So we have subscription. We set a subscription pack where people have to pay to see some videos or to access some content from you. Then you have the live reward, and here we have work with artists. So here is one way you can monetize your TikTok channel, especially for those who like doing TikTok challenges, the dance challenges. You use songs from different artists, so you can get paid by using their songs to do those challenges. So here you partner with them, you work with different artists, and when you use their work, you get paid. You get paid for using their work because it is like a form of promotion. You are promoting their work. It is reaching a broader audience through you, through different TikTok content creators. Then we have drama clips that are made, either they can be memes, they can be funny content, so many. Okay, then lastly, I want us to pay attention to, again, is where we have services with a plus. So it means there are more services here. So here we have to click. When you click on it, it will bring to this page. And one thing that you have to do for you to access and to make money out of these services is you have to get verified. So to verify yourself, you will see at the top, first at the top there where you have get verified. So you have to click there and do verification first for you to access this monetization feature, the services plus. So when you click on it like this, It will take you to this page where the service bio, verified creator, get verified, and build trust. So we are going to verify, or you are going to verify as an individual, an ideal sole proprietor. So here you'll need to upload your photos and your government ID, your government issued ID. So click there, then you click continue. It will bring us here. For me, I'm in Kenya, so you can see my country is already there. So if you're not in Kenya, you can select whatever country you are from. If you're from Nigeria, you can pick Nigeria there. But for me, I'm from Kenya, I'm Kenyan, so I'll click Kenya. Then the ID type I will use either your national identity card, driving license, or passport. So for me, I'm going to use my ID, national ID card. Then click next down here. Once you select that, you click next down here. You wait a little, it will open to this page here. Get your ID card ready. So you will capture the front and back of your ID. Now you have to consent, for that, because there's a service by Shaft Pro that is going to take your biodata and present them to TikTok Creator Studio for them to approve your verification. So you click consent down here, then next. Once you click next, it will open your camera. So here you can take a photo of your back and front of your ID, then you submit. I will not do that because I don't have my ID currently, but for you, that's what you'll have to do. And after that, you'll be able to access the Service Plus as part of TikTok monetization. Okay, so that's how you go about this. So the first thing I said, you have to make sure you are using the creator mode. You're in the creator mode. Your account is in the creator mode. You're using a creator's account. That's when you can access this monetization feature. Again, you can also go live as normal as other people have been doing, especially in Africa. Yeah, they've been making money by going live. Okay, whereby you earn gifts from people who are viewing, you are engaging live. Okay, so that's how you activate monetization here on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, kindly share it to other people so that they also get this knowledge, so that they also know how to go about this. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss future content like this that are very educational. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.